everyone, welcome back to another Bochiknot Macrame knot series tutorial. We will be going over the figure 8 knot today. This is fairly similar to the stevedore knot as well as the coil knot because this is another ending knot for macrame. You will need a strand of cord to practice making this knot, and with that, let's begin. Take the strand of cord and make a loop on one end by folding it in half. Then place the cord ends facing upwards. Fold the right cord on top of the left cord, holding on to the loop. Then bringing that same right cord that's now on the left back over to the right through the back. Bring the cord downwards. And taking that same cord end, place it through the bottom loop, top down. Pull on the cord ends to tighten the knot, and you have now made the figure 8 knot. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys are interested in learning more macrame knots, you can check out my 50 knots and sentence tutorial or my Bochiknot macrame knots playlist. Let me know if there's any other knots you guys would like to learn in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.